Welcome. Today we're going to look into now what we're going to do is how can we do this into this. Now you might be that might give you assignment, a task, just to prepare something in this format, and suddenly they come up and say, no, we no longer need it in this format. We want it in this format. At this point, what do you do? And the data you are working on, how much? What do you do? Do you start afresh? The answer, don't start afresh. You just need some skills to transpose it into this. And that is what we're going to look into in this tutorial. It's called transposing in. Those of you that are familiar with music know what transposition meaning music shifting from one key to another. Yes, we're going to shift from rows to column here now. Stay back. Now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete it. Yes, I'm going to delete it. Now, what you do first after you must have prepared something like this and they say they need it in row form, in column format. What you do is highlight and copy. There are so many ways of doing this. You highlight and copy. Then you come to your paste option. Once you come to your paste option, take this. You see where the here is transpose. You see transpose here. Yes. Get the transpose here. You click the transpose. Sorry, yes, you cannot. You cannot. What you do, you put the cursor where you want to paste it. Then you come to the transpose here. You see that show you the format. You click it. You've transposed it. Let's use this and use another method to do this. Right click, you come here, you see transpose. Okay, let's use the shortcut method in doing this. You are going to press Control Alternate V. It's going to bring you here. What you do, you tick your words, transpose. You bring it to this format. Now let us change this into the other way. You click, copy, make sure you copy first. Make sure you do what you copy first. Put it away. You can use any format of your choice to do it. You can come here, you can go to transpose. Or you can still come here, you can use your Control Alt V. Then you click your words, your transpose, and you are there. You can use this format again. You can use your or right click. And you look for transpose button here. Look for your transpose button here. You have it here. So this is how you transpose. Now let's handle this with a bigger data. Now let's go up. Let's do it here. You highlight, copy. You will always copy first. Then you click where you want to post. You use your Control Alt V, whichever method you want to use. You click your transpose. You have it here. You can also use another method here. Let's use this paste method. You come to transpose. You have it here. Let's use this method. You come to transpose. You have it here. So it is very, very simple to do. So whenever such thing come up, just use this method and you are there. Thank you once again for coming around. God bless you abundantly. Okay, thank you.